Hey, what's up guys? This is Fab and welcome back to my channel. Now for this video, I will be teaching you how to make a creative resume. So if you want to learn about that, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so before we proceed to today's video, I would just like to unbox this special package from HelloRache. Now, this is supposed to be a souvenir item for this year's conference, but unfortunately, due to the pandemic, they decided not to hold a conference anymore, but to give out the souvenirs for the HVAs. So inside, there's a letter. So it's a letter from HelloRache. It's a very long message, but it's a thank you note, a welcome note from Miss Rach. There's a pen. It's supposed to be like in the coat. And last but not the least, a HelloRache water bottle. Thank you, HelloRache. Okay, so now that's done. We will now proceed to the video. Okay, I would like to start this video by defining what is a resume and comparing it with a curriculum vitae. So, baka may mga naguguluhan sa inyo, ano ba ibig sabihin ng resume and the curriculum vitae? Vitae? So, according to a blog, a resume is a 1 to 2 page document presenting key facts about your professional experience, educational background, and skills. While a CV or curriculum vitae is a longer document that details the whole course of your career. So, a resume is used for a job search while a CV for academic purposes. So basically, what this is trying to tell us is that ang purpose ng resume is to give the highlights of your career, your educational background, your skills, as compared to a CV, which is a more detailed explanation, or it doesn't just include your educational background, your work experience. It also may include the thesis or the research you've accomplished or published or you were a part of, and also the trainings and seminars that you've been through. Yung CV, mas malaman siya or mas detailed compared sa resume. So it's important for you to keep your resume really short, really concise. Alam mo yun, brief, but it has the important facts in it. So usually the resume is just 1 to 2 page. Kasi walang HR or walang recruiter ang magbabasa ng buong CV that may be comprised of 5 to 10 pages. Ang goal is pag nakita nung recruiter or ng employer yung resume nyo, is makikita na nila yung mga important stuff. Okay, so now that I've explained the goal of a resume, pupunta na tayo dun sa actual resume making process. And for this video, we will be using Canva.com. Canva is really, it's a life hack, guys. So, yung mga hindi marunong mag-manipulate ng Microsoft or ng Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop, just use Canva, guys. It's gonna save you time and effort. Pag tinatamad ako, dito na lang ako gumagawa ng graphics. Mga kailangan, PowerPoint. And now, we're gonna use it for our creative resume. Okay, so we're now in Canva. If you don't have an account yet, you can just go to my description box and see my link there and create your own for free. Okay, so in Canva, you can design anything. So, presentation, social media, print products, and more. So, here, punta tayo sa office and then resume. Ano talaga? Resume? I don't know. Maybe it's arbitrary. Pag binuksan natin tong tab na ito, makikita natin there's a lot of designs to choose from. It's better to choose a simple design. I'd go for a minimal resume. It will look professional and hindi siya magiging OA. Okay, so ito yung napili ko for the design. So, ang unang-una nating papalitan ay yung picture. Dahil papalitan natin siya. Actually, alam ko, you can just go to upload and then upload your media. And then I think I can just click and drag it. Oh yeah. Ayan. So, nandyan na yung picture ko. Sample lang naman to, guys. Okay? And if you want to enlarge it or scale it, just double click it and then yan, ma-edit mo na. Ang kagandahan dito sa Canva ay may mga template na sila. So, ayan. Papalitan mo na lang talaga siya. Okay guys, so napalitan na natin yung picture. Ang next step na papalitan natin is yung name. So, my name is Fabb Lagas and I like to put RN. Yan, para alam nila na registered nurse. You can change the font size here. Kung gusto mong paliitan, kung gusto mo one layer lang. Ayan. So, bahala na kayo sa gusto nyong design. And also, ano ba ako? For example, you're a healthcare virtual assistant. You're applying for a healthcare virtual assistant. Healthcare virtual assistant. Ayan. Okay. So, work history. Ako, mas inuuna ko yung work history kaysa sa educational background. So, for example, work history, staff nurse. Pwede natin to. Staff nurse. Kung gusto nyo specific, for example, pediatric nurse. Tapos, sa ang hospital. For example, Philippine Children. Ano ba yan? Medical Center. And then, anong year ka nag-start and then nag-finish? Primary roles or responsibilities as a staff nurse or a pediatric nurse. And for example, last but not the least, documents, relevant information pertinent to patient care. Okay. And then, ganun din, kung may previous na job ka pa na iba, so, ganun din yung format. What is your role or your position? For example, staff nurse ka ulit, pero sa ibang hospital. Then, hospital, and then yung year, and then, again, roles and responsibilities. Now, sa academic history, for example, University of Santo Tomas. Then, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Anong year ako nag-aral? Natin 2013 to 2017. And then, ano ba mga awards mo? Wala naman akong awards. Yung mga awards mo for college, scholar. And also, what you can include here is yung mga certifications na ma-receive mo or na-receive mo. And here, also, this is where you can get creative with your words. So, personal profile. So, ang nilagay ko sa akin, ayan. So, a goal-oriented 24-year-old registered nurse with experience in both clinical and nursing research, driven to provide the utmost quality medical scribing and administrative services. So, basically, just a really, really one sentence. Actually, it's just a compound sentence. Just to summarize my profile, my experience, and my purpose or my goal for this resume. So, parang may ganon. So, ang ilalagay ko na nito ay skills. So, under the skills, I just put soft skills na just to give the client a picture of my personality and my work ethics. So, ayan, I just put highly organized and efficient. And lahat ng mga ilalagay niyo dito sa skills, soft skills and hard skills, towards, yung mga useful towards the job you're applying for. So, in this case, as a healthcare virtual assistant. Contact info, just replace info here. Ayan, if you have a website, your email. Ang pwede ko ring ilagay dito, applications or things that I am proficient in. Maybe part of the reason why they hired me kasi I have skills in these applications, which I think it's not gonna hurt if you would put it there. So, for example, yan, marunong ako Microsoft, Google, and Adobe Creative Suite. So, aside from that picture and the rest of my details, this is actually really similar to what I actually gave in my profile. So, ayan, that's my resume, guys. So once you're happy with your resume, you can just save it. Click the three dots here and then just download it. And then you can choose whether you want it as JPEG or parang picture file or FB PDF print. So crop marks and okay. So download. You open the PDF, it will look like this. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope that I have helped you in making your own creative resume. If you have questions, don't hesitate to comment down in the comment section below. I hope that you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any future video like this. And I also appreciate all the suggestions. Comment all your needs, guys, kasi dun din ako nakakuha ng content, what videos to make next. Thank you for watching until this part of the video. Hope to see you on the next one. Stay fabulously brave and beautiful.